Welcome to the series of Relational Database Management System. Myself is Fatima Rafiq, Assistant Professor, Abedan Amda Senior College, BCA Department. We have already started with the PLSQL series. We completed the topics till procedure. Today, we will be starting with a new topic, that is SQL Function. Now, PLSQL function is very similar to PLSQL procedure. We have already seen what is procedure. The main difference between the procedure and function is function always returns a value, and on the total hand a procedure may or may not return, on the other hand the procedure may or may not return a value. Whenever we consider the function, remember that the function always returns a value, so it contain a keyword returns. Except this, all the other things of the PLSQL procedure and PLSQL functions are similar. This is a syntax of writing the functions: create or replace function name with parameter list. Create is a keyword. Create or replace is a keyword. If the function is created first time, it will use the function the keyword create, and if we are replacing the function with some another written already existing function, it will replace it by using the replace keyword. Then function name is the name of function which we are creating, and then it accepts the parameter if parameter is there. Then we will be having a parameter mode, which is in, out and in, out, which we already studied in the topic of procedure. Then it contained return, and then it contained the return data type. What is that data type? Of a variable which we are trying to return. Then it have a two choice of using a keyword is and as. Then it starts with the execution section, which is the start of begin keyword. Then we will be writing the function body, and then we will be doing end. Again, because it is a block, here the declaration section and exception handling section is a section which is the optional section. Function are of two type. Whenever we have a function is actually of two type: function with a parameter and function without the parameter. If you are writing any function and if does not have any parameter, it means that it is a function without a parameter. And if we are writing a function and if suppose that function is taking some parameter from the user, so we say that it is a function which is the function which is taking the parameter from a user. Whenever we are creating a function, so again it is having a two step. One is the creation of function, and second the execution of the function, as we already studied this in the previous procedures topic. Now I will be writing one function, the function without the parameter. First we will see function without the parameter, then we will see function with the parameter. For demonstration of this, I will be using one example. Like for example, I will be writing create or replace function with a function name. So let the function name is fday. What is a day? And then what is a return type? It is returning like variable character 2. It is a return type. Then is, then we will be having a begin keyword. In a begin keyword, we want it to return a today's date. So I'll be writing return to character. It is a inbuilt function. Then system date comma day. They will give us the detail of today's day, semicolon, and then we'll do the end of this function. Here this function does not take any parameter, so it is a function without the parameter. Let me just take it. I'll be pasting it over here. So the function is getting created. Once the function is getting created, we will able to execute it by using the different kind of execution path. One of the path is by using the anonymous block. So let me just take the anonymous block, that is begin, and I'll be writing the function name, which is a fday, and then I'll be doing end, writing end keyword and then slash. Okay, I think it will give an error because the spelling of end is wrong. So let me just write it again. Begin, then function name is fday with a semicolon, then end with a semicolon, and then slash. So here fday is actually getting ignored. Okay, let me try it again. I'll be writing another way, which is a select fday from 12. Okay, so see here it is a day which is a Friday. Okay, so I don't know what will happen with it. I think I have did some mistake over here, fday, but this is the another way of executing it. So this is a function without the parameter. Now we will see the function where we have written the parameter, we have passed a parameter. This is a function where I have taken the addition of two number. Both the numbers, that is n1 and n2, is passed from a user, so that's why they are having a parameter as in. What this function will do, this function will return a number which is a addition of n1 and n2. We are taking another variable, that is n3, for storing the result. It starts with a begin keyword, then we are writing n3. n3 will store n1 plus n2, and the n3 is a result, so that's why it is getting returned to the user and then end. Let me just run this code on this particular. Okay, here because this add is what, this add is actually a keyword, so I need to change it. I'll be writing this as addition, so it will work finally. Like we know that already the keyword which are um, which which are fixed, they have some specific meaning to the code, so we are not able to use them. So see, it does not have any error. The function is getting created. Now I'll be executing it. So execution, here I'll be executing this by using the anonymous block. Let me just take it. Now we will run this. So I'll be copying this and I'll be pasting it over here. I think it is not getting copied. So let me copy again. Control C, and then I'll be doing Control V. See, I have taken three number A, B and C. Here number A and B we are taking from a user, and number C is actually my resultant value. The addition of a number which is returning from a function will return over here. By using C, what we are doing, we are calling a addition function. Okay, I think it will not run because this add keyword we have actually changed the add to the addition. So I need to make a change in this particular line. I'll be writing this as addition. Sometimes it's happen whenever we are writing the function which we have written with the actual function creation statement and the execution section, the execution part, if they are different, we will be getting an error. So I will be copying it again with a changed name and I'll be pasting out here. If you find any error, so sometimes students is very scared of error, because whenever you are getting an error in this particular thing, it is very difficult for a user, like a student got confused or what error it comes, because these are so many lines which is a part of error. So do not be scared of it. These are very minute error. It will give you the a star for a hint that this is the error, or this line will contain the error. Just read it and try to remove it. I'll be pasting it again. Control V. Okay, I think it does not get copied. Let me just Control C, go to here and then Control V, enter. Now it is taking value, so I'll be putting first value as 10, second value as 10, and then B is a number. What it is giving? B is expecting one of the following. Okay, here semicolon is missing. Let me just give a semicolon here with A. I'll be executing it again. Control V, and